Welcome to my Cluvio review, where I'll be walking you through everything this business analytics platform has to offer. If you're looking for a way to visualize your business data in a more meaningful way, Cluvio might be the tool you're searching for. When you first log into Cluvio, you're greeted by a clean, user-friendly interface. The dashboard is intuitive, but you may need to spend a bit of time getting used to the features, especially if you are new to business analytics platforms. The layout is straightforward, and setting up data sources is relatively simple. You can connect Cluvio to your database, whether it's MySQL, PostgreSQL, or other popular data storage services, to start pulling in your data. Cluvio's analytics capabilities are solid. It allows you to create custom queries and visualizations with ease. The SQL editor is quite powerful for users who are familiar with SQL, and for those who aren't, Cluvio also provides an easy-to-use drag-and-drop interface for creating dashboards and reports. The platform's data visualizations are quite customizable, letting you choose from a variety of chart types, including bar, line, and pie charts, as well as more advanced visualizations like heat maps and geomaps. But let's talk about the learning curve for a second. While it's generally accessible, if you're not familiar with SQL or analytics tools, there might be a bit of a learning curve. The good news is that Cluvio provides a variety of tutorials, documentation, and customer support to help you get started. One thing that stood out to me during my time with Cluvio is how responsive the platform is. Dashboards load quickly, and the ability to drill down into specific data points is seamless. The real-time analytics are impressive, especially for teams that need to make quick decisions based on up-to-the-minute data. However, no platform is perfect. One downside I encountered was the pricing. While Cluvio does offer a free tier, it comes with limited functionality. The paid plans can get expensive, especially for smaller teams or businesses on a budget. That said, if you need advanced analytics and integrations, the investment could be worth it. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Givemeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. In terms of integrations, Cluvio does a decent job connecting with other tools, such as Google Analytics, Stripe, and Segment. For businesses already using these platforms, Cluvio makes it easy to incorporate data from these services into your analytics dashboard. The support system is another area where Cluvio shines. Whether you have a quick question or need more in-depth assistance, the Cluvio support team is easy to reach and very responsive. Plus, the community forums are filled with helpful users sharing tips and solutions to common problems. If you're wondering whether Cluvio is right for your business, it largely depends on your needs. If you're a small business or individual looking for basic analytics, there are likely cheaper or even free alternatives. However, if you're managing larger datasets or need advanced features like custom dashboards and real-time insights, Cluvio is definitely worth considering. In conclusion, Cluvio offers a powerful set of analytics tools with a clean user interface and robust integrations. While it may not be the cheapest option out there, its comprehensive features could be well worth the price for businesses that need data-driven insights. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of business tools and services.